Hello friends, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got these curls right here. It's really easy to do. All I did was section it, curl it with this baby right here. So let me show you what my hair looked like before this was done. Alright, so here's my hair. It's been a couple days since I washed it. Washed it. Yeah, it's been a couple days since I washed it, and so it's quite dirty. I do need to add some dry shampoo to it a little bit later. But first, we are going to curl it. So I like to section my hair. I don't understand how people curl their hair without sectioning it. I have the hardest time with that. So my uppermost section is going to be saved for last. Clip that out of the way. And then I'm going to just divide the rest of it into two, because now that my hair is shorter, I tend to take chunks that are a little bit larger than I used to. One, to save time, and two, because it's so much shorter. So here we are. We have three sections. Bottom and middle sections are fairly large. I'm gonna take this side and just twist it and clip it out of the way. I have this curling wand here. This is the Remington Pearl something or other. I will link it down below. I got it off Amazon for less than $30. It's great. I love it. It's definitely my favorite one to use right now, especially. I really like the shape and like the width of it for the length of hair that I have right now. So when I curl my hair, I don't lay it flat on here. Like, I will let it twist. So hopefully you guys can see what I mean. So instead of it laying flat and turning into like those Shirley Temple curls, it is kind of twisted on there, like rolled on. Hopefully that makes sense. So I hold it on here for about 6 to 8 seconds and just twist it off, and that's what I'm left with. I don't curl the ends too much because it looks like a bit much, especially with my length of hair that I have now. So for the first piece, I went away from the face. Now I'm going to go towards the face. I always try to alternate. And just twist it off of here. You can let it drop off also, but I like to pick it up and move it myself. Oh, this also has different temperature measurements, temperature levels. I keep mine at 356. Seems like an odd temperature, but that's the option it gives me. Now for the pieces that are around the face, I always go away from the face. I feel like that looks better for me. And that's how the curls look now. I try my best not to mess with them while they're cooling down, even though I really want to. Usually I would hold this in my mouth, but I'm wearing lip gloss. That's not gonna work today. I'm just tucking it into my shirt to make sure that stays out of the way. I didn't do it with the other side, but doing this side of my hair, it's a little bit harder. So, first one was away from my face. Now we're going towards the face. Done with the first section, now we're just pulling down the next section and doing the exact same thing. bottom sections are curled. Loving it so far. So we're gonna move on to the top. The top portion is not that different, but just a little different. It's all going to go away from the face. For some reason, this just looks the best to me. The sections I'm taking at the top are a little bit smaller, and so I'm holding it for just about 5 seconds before unraveling it. Smaller curls definitely add a ton of volume. That's why I like doing it this way. Alright, now all I do is run my fingers through it, kind of tousle it up a little bit. Really, that's it. It's super simple, very easy to do, not very time consuming. Takes me about 20 to 25 minutes. For me, that's not very long, because when I was doing my long hair, it took me at least 45, and that was on a good day. At this point, you can put in some hairspray or something. I really don't like the feeling of hairspray or the smell or anything, so I don't use it, but you can definitely do that. It'll obviously help keep your curls in longer. I really like how shiny my hair looks when I use this wand. It's a really good wand. So I will link that in the description box for you guys. That's the only thing I used in this video other than a few clips and my hairbrush. So that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you've not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around to see those, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.